Hi friends, this video will show you how to fix high CPU usage by AudioDG.exe in Windows 10. Solution 1. Disable audio effects. Right-click on the speaker-like symbol on the right bottom corner of the screen. In the taskbar, select Sounds to open the sound property. Right-click on your audio device and select Properties. In the Advanced tab, change the frequency of the device and click on Apply. Check if it helps lower the disk utilization.